Kamila Sidor, and I'm part of Beta Karotki team. Before we create that app, we talk with our friends, family, and our community. And we found out one problem. How to feed your newborns and toddlers. And solution is Baby Carrot. It's an Android application in English for young parents who need a guide for feeding their toddlers and newborns. Execution. During this event, we have created half of our code and half of design. We have working prototype. Can you show for judges our app? Thanks. We have hostess. Execution. We have an app, and let's say that I have a kid, a son, and his name is Tomasz. Tomasz is 6 years old, and I'm wondering if I can give him a pumpkin. So I got this app. This app, when Tomasz was born, I put in settings the date of the birth of Tomasz. So I can now check in products if pumpkin is there. And it means that I can give him pumpkin. I know already that he can eat pumpkin, so I go to recipes and I found a really nice recipe for pumpkin soup. So I can choose this recipe, and all these ingredients are going to shop-list. So I can send this shop-list to my partner, and because he is already in a store, and he can buy all ingredients to the recipe. It's our app. Monetization. People will pay for our app. We thought about price. Probably it will be $3 per app. We have a few numbers. First, in the United States, there are 111 million Android owners of Android devices. And every day in the United States, 4 million new kids are born. And we found out that pregnancy trackers, it's an application for pregnancy trackers, was bought by 1 million people. So it means that 1 million people in the United States can pay for this kind of app. Promotion. It's a big challenge for us because in our team we don't have dedicated person to the PR and to the promotion. We think about 2 ways. First, just find the right person and try to show our application to communities, parents and young moms and dads communities in the United States. Try to write to bloggers who are writing about this issue. Or the second one, we have already had an offer from publisher who is dealing on the American market, and he, with his company, sells application for parents. So we have these 2 ways. We think what can be easier and nicer for us. Why we will win the market? Why we will win today's event? Because of usability, design, and content. And we wanna be different from our competitors because of this. And it's possible of this because we have a team of 8 people. 5 people are working during this weekend. 3 developers, Android developers, usability girl, me, business person, and few people are supporting us, another business person and designer and one developer. Thank you, vote for us. We want to make